Okay, welcome back. Now let us explain the concept of momentum trading for repeating the market on volatility 75 index. We are broadcasting strategy live from FFTVC channel V75, and in this session we want to look at what critical factor is responsible for every price momentum traded with the momentum strategy, which is proprietary strategy of FFTVC. So we are gonna take our analysis from the most recent happening in the market and explain it as we move forward. So wherever average price is determined, you notice that the market sets limits based on average price being determined, and if you want to be successful trading momentum with us, then you have to know how average price plays out and what is responsible for average pricing and how it affects or is affected by previous happenings in the market. Okay, so currently trading with currently trading with a new set of commands and new instructions, of course, and now the average price we are watching at is 822710. So we intend to trade from average price downward for whatever the market does. If average price is respected at any given time, then there is a chance that the trading is going to be profitable. And if average price is not respected at any given time, then the trading is going to run into a loss. So at every given time, average price is being tested. Average price is being tested and it's either rejected or respected. So in the current markets, average price here has been rejected. Haven't been tested once. And so average price now at average price now at 822, 332, 33, 325 has been rejected. And so if any position has been held so far, position can continue to be held because the position only gets endangered whenever average price of any current session or trading is disrespected. So currently average price is respected, and so we'll continue to hold positions. So we continue to hold positions. And see whatever the market is doing at any given time. There is always a factor affecting what the market can do and not do, and that factor is known as average price. So average price creates momentum in the markets, and that is what we trade our strategy based on. So our strategy is based on average price and the momentum it creates in the market at any given time. So long as average price is being respected, trading fairly can always be done. So in the current market, average price has been rejected once, haven't been tested once, and that implies that there is a chance that this trade is going to go bearish. So if average price is rejected, then there is a chance that the current trade is going to go bullish. So now what we trade is momentum generated by average price, and we always factor in how average price affects the overall outcome of our trading. Once we have identified average price at any given time, we can immediately trade at the current momentum of the market, regardless of the overall trend. Now, while factoring in the overall trend, we can divide our momentum strategy into three, which will be taught in three different lessons. So for the first part, we will deal with the micro momentum trading strategy, and after that we deal with the mini momentum trading strategy, and again after that we deal with the standard momentum trading strategy. Now each of these strategies dealt with have their roles to play and their mode of application, but one thing stands as a common factor in all of them, and that is how average price is being analyzed. Now, without resorting to technical analysis or fundamental analysis or use of technical indicators and or aiders for reading the chart, we rely solely on average price for the trading of momentum at every given time. And as a result of consistently trading momentum, we can always ascertain that the market is bearish or bullish at any given time, and we can trade profitably what we experience with the market at all times. And the most important advantage of trading momentum is the benefits. The benefit is confidence, reliability, safety, profitability, consistency. So these benefits are overwhelming. In trading momentum, no matter how volatile the market is, you use momentum trading to make consistent profit, to trade with a reliable strategy, which is either you are trading the micro momentum strategy, or you are trading the mini momentum strategy, or you are trading the standard momentum strategy. So we teach this in 3 different lessons, and the lessons encompass a 1 hour tutorial where you get to see the market in action in respect to average price. So how we determine average price, the same theory for determining average price is also what is applied in momentum trading. So if you already know how to determine average price, then that is already a bonus for you to apply it now to volatility 75 index. So FFTVC is the proprietary owner of these 3 sets of momentum trading strategy for the volatility 75 index. And applying the strategy, you can consistently make over a minimum or average income of $3,000 monthly. You can consistently make $3,000 monthly trading with the minimum risk exposure in the market. So no matter your financial capacity or capability, using the momentum strategies developed by FFTVC channel V75, you can comfortably trade from wherever you are in the world. And then if you are not able to acquire the training for yourself due to the cost of the training at the initial time, you can of course benefit from the trading of the strategy by being live with us in all our live streaming sessions on YouTube with our channel at FFTVC on YouTube. And when you are live with us, you get to see what we are trading at every given time, and what we entries we take, how long we hold each entry, the profit we realize from it, how we exit, how we identify where to exit the market. So you can see our entry live as we take our entries, and you can also see the outcome live. Now if you want to take our entries with us, besides being with us live on YouTube, for the advantage of those who are able to watch us live on YouTube, you can also get our trades sent directly to our private community trading with us at FFTVC, with our public channel on Telegram at FFTVC. And when you are subscribed to our channel at FFTVC on Telegram, or if you try to search FFTVC by sending a message with our link at FFTVC on Telegram, then you can get access to our trading community when you sign up on our website by giving us your details, so we can monitor your trading. Also, why you take the trade with us, we want to know everyone who's trading with us. And apart from knowing you, you also become a contributor to the development and growth of our channel for sustainability. And by so trading, you contribute a quota or percentage of your trading income to our community, and that is 50% by signing the shared income contract or accepting the shared income contract by signing up on our website. So once you are signed up on our website, and we know now that you are interested and in trading our strategy, and you also want to contribute to our community, then we add you to our private community where we post these trades live. So, and if you're in our community, you know that when you take our trades and you make profits, you don't have to keep quiet. You have to be part of the promotion and growth of our channel by sharing your testimonials on Twitter, hashtagging us as hashtag FFTVC on Twitter, so that when you post any post, it will be clearly linked up with our channel. So everyone who sees the hashtag at FFTVC, or who searches the hashtag at FFTVC, can easily find all our posts from traders around the world like you, who are sharing their testimonials of success in trading with us, and you are helping us to spread the word for us to grow our community, our membership base. For we have streamlined our growth projection to achieving 20,000 initial subscribers. So that's at the first milestone, and going further we can achieve 500,000 members. So we want to see growing from 20,000 to 210, to 200,000 members or traders in our live trading community. So if you are part of our trading community, then you can always share your testimonials on Twitter by hashtagging our channel on Twitter. That way you get others to know that you are one of the beneficiaries as well as the traders in our live trading community, who's also supporting FFTVC channels continuity and sustainability. So in supporting our channel, you contribute a percentage of your weekly profit as a profit share, and you send that to us. Okay, so now we have one average price respected, and it's time again to look at what the market will do with the next average price respected. Alright, so if its average price were respected, again we see if the next average price will be respected. Okay, so that means we continue to trade. We continue to trade along the lines of every average price as we trade. So we continue to trade along the lines of average price. Wherever we trade, an average price is accepted. We know we have to continue to hold our positions until average price is rejected. So this is what we do. Average price is what determines momentum in the market. If average price is accepted, then the momentum will always be in the direction of the rejection of average price. Then if average price is overtaken, then of course momentum will always be in the direction. So what creates momentum is average price, and the FFTVC channel will show you how this plays out. And traders in our community are also able to share their results live with us, and as you can see, traders are trading the strategy, and it's also a rewarding strategy. So that is how it goes. Little by little, you trade our momentum strategy with confidence, and you make a substantial profit trading our strategy. So let's see, average price again is being confronted here. Average price is embraced, then it means the market will continue to go down. If average price is rejected, then okay, so average price is being engaged once again, and we are seeing the rejection already happening. So average price is being rejected again, and that means we can continue to trade on until average price is disregarded. Okay, so now it's time for us to set our take profit. So set our take profit at our minimum profit. Now we will set to 821. Okay, 821 116 821 116. So 82116 as our minimum profit target. 82116. Oh, wow. So 821116, we continue to update our SL with regards to new average price formation. So that's to protect our traders from sustaining any injury and from ensuring that we are safely in the market and also will not be giving back any profit booked. So average price does it all for us. If average price is engaged and overcome, then that will be an indication that it is time for us to start trading the other direction. So no matter what the market does, we keep our eyes on average price. Average price tells us what the market is still to do or is not to do, and new average prices are created every time. So if you take our trading, we'll teach you how to trade the momentum of each new average price and trade confidently. So there's no need trading with fear. At FFTVC, we trade 24/7, volatility 75 index, and that's how we do it. That's how we do it. That's how we do it. Okay, so and so far as average price is being respected, we are good to go. So average price does it all, and once average price has been rejected, then we are set to trade the opposite direction. So that is what happens. So we are always there with the markets. Okay. Okay, so we are seeing an attack on average price. Once it is defeated, then that tells us that it is time for us to trade the opposite direction. So currently, trading average price here. So what you must note is that it's now time for us to sell. It's now time for us to sell, to rather go the opposite direction. So average price now has been beaten, and it's time for us to take our trade to the next playing field. So average price has been beaten here. Time to take our trade to the next field. So once average price is beaten, take your trade to the next field. So we are trading now with the next average price 827. Okay. So we are back into the market, and we have given you entry instructions. So now we always use momentum trading to determine the most accurate entry bias. So irrespective of what the market is doing at any given time, with average price determination, we can always be in the market safely without risking any unreasonable exposure of our capital or equity. So now we have a new bias, and we want the market to buy because average price was overtaken. So at this time, the new average price becomes the source of new bullish momentum. The new average price becomes the source of new bullish momentum. So if you can accurately spot average price at any given time, and you can confidently also trade in favor of average price here. So average price is now being subdued for new entries that have been given to be activated. So we are now in the market with a new entry bias. Oh wow! So we've got a new entry bias further, and this is quite a tricky one because the average price was not broken downward, so it supports our new bias of trading the uptrend. So average price is right here, and let's see what happens. Average price is being attacked and rejected. Okay, so you can see the new average price is being attacked and rejected, and this automatically indicates that there is an equality in the market right now. There is equality in the market. So, or equilibrium, we should say, with the new entry activated and also having a bias for a bullish momentum. Let's see how average price helps to create this bullish momentum. For we said momentum is created by average price in the market. So if average price is ever broken, then that is an indication that the market intends to go the opposite direction. So but if average price is rejected, then that shows a continuation of price. So continuation of a certain trade bias. So now average price is being engaged again, and you can see the rejection happening there. Average price is engaged and rejected again and again, and it is quite a tricky one because two successive entries have got average price there working for them. What happened? Okay, so average price again is being rejected here. So here is an attack on average price, as you can see, and this indicates that the market intends to devour profits. So okay, so back into the market, and seeing that average price was engaged here, that sends a contrary message, indicating that we will be closing this trade when our easy parameters are met. So right now, that will also tell us we can start trading again the next buyer. Right now, average price, okay, average price is it's not that average price is here, 820, and average price has been beaten down. So average price was beaten down, so that's why we see the downward momentum. Like we said, whatever average price is, if average price is rejected, then you can see a bullish momentum. If average price is beaten down, you can see a bearish momentum, depending which of the biases is surrounding your entry. So currently, average price is being average price was taken headlong, and our exit parameter was not met. And now back to engaging average price, market returns back to engaging average price, and our entries are activated. So the entries we had here that are activated very serious entries. So average price has been attacked again, and now if average price is is uh, crossed, that would mean that okay, so average price is being rejected. So that indicates that the market is in the middle of a web. Despite that, price opened just right above average price, which indicates a bullish momentum. The price was able to go contrary to average price initial momentum projection, and right now you can see the back where it started, right above average price, and still rejecting average price. So there is a pressure at average price for the momentum, either the proper momentum, since our market opened above average price. Proper momentum should be that the market should be on a bullish side. Otherwise, if it goes below our exit level, then that would mean to be due for an exit. So exit is at 8179. So exit at 8179. Right. So or average price at 820, you're confronted. So back again, average price still being engaged, and you can see that the bullish momentum has held up. Despite a low set there, there is still a clear indication that the overall bias is a bullish momentum, and for the first time, market has back above average price, and it looks so easy for average price to be combated, and now the bullish entries are right for the first time, looking qualified to continue. The market has back above average price, and so where our exit criteria was not met, because our exit criteria was not met. Right here you can see market has back above average price, and now it's making an uptrend in favor of our entry bias. So you can see there's a snapshot of what the market is currently doing in favor of our entry bias, and rightly so, our entries should have all picked up. Okay. Okay, we are back again, and as you can see, average price clearly gave us the correct expectation from the market, and you can clearly see that the market is in an uptrend right now. Market is in an uptrend, so when trading the momentum strategy with us at FFTVC channel V75, you can rest assured that knowing the correct momentum is you can trade profitably, consistently. So we're going to have to recheck our SL and move it to 822435. So we recheck our SL, move it to 822435. So check SL. So that has been posted, and now we are back again to see what the market is doing after beating average price. Well, the market has the market has continued this upward trend. So let's see the live update from our trader. Okay, you can see that we're making progress. You can see we're making progress. We get real-time updates, and we are not in a hurry to exit the market, so we hold positions until all our parameters are met. Okay, so now time again to move our SL further. So we move our SL to 824193. 824193. So we move SL to 824193. Okay. That's 193, and now again we check our average price. Our new average price has been set at 8233. So 8233 is our new average price, and so long as average price is not being engaged, we remain holding position. So okay, our new average price is actually at 822.325. So now we can also move our SL to 824.193 is a good 824. Let's see. So we're moving our SL further to 825.676. 825.676. So we move SL further to 825.676. Okay. Okay, so we are moving SL forward to accommodate our minimum profit, while not also being aggressive about what the market is doing. So market is ever since average price was ever since price returned from average price at 820, we had a new average price set at 822, and now we are having a new average price moved upwards, so we moved our SL to 825. Okay, so now we'll be moving our SL further to 826.665. 826.665. So while we are not running away from the market, 826.665. 826.665. 826.665. Remove further. 826.665. So we keep moving SL until our minimum profit is overtaken by the market. So let's see where the market is, and if our continuous moving of SL is going to hold. So currently our average price is really low, and we have moved our SL to 82666. So we have moved our SL to 82666. So that gives us an opportunity to be in the market. Okay, so we move the SL to 866. So we see okay, so there's now an opportunity to move SL to 827. So move SL to 827559. Move SL to 827559. Move SL to 827559. So we keep moving our SL. SL here serves as a minimum profit. So minimum profits, regardless of what the market decides to do. We are not in a hurry to close our trades, but we are trading the momentum as it occurs. So whenever the market decides to degrade, we are also there to book minimum profits. So we will have our new SL move to 828258. Our new SL will be moved to 828258. So we give the market enough space to be 828258, our new SL. So we keep moving SL to accommodate higher or larger minimum profits. And what this shows you is that we are confident in the market, and whatever the market does, we are there to book minimum profit that can sustain us in the market. 828258. 828258. So let's see if our SL is taken out, then it means we can rest on this momentum and trade the next momentum. So our SL has not been taken out, so we are still in the market trading the ongoing momentum, and you can see how accurate our entry bias is when trading an average price. You can see how accurate. So we are not in a hurry to exit any position we hold. That is why we take on our SL adjustments to allow us to hold position up until maximum profit is booked. So on this trade, we have our profit target set already. So insofar as the price keeps making new highs, then we are not afraid to keep moving our SL upward. So 808, 808, we are seeing price getting down to our SL. Okay, still avoided our SL. Price still avoided our SL and still making upward move, so we are still in the market. Okay, so still in the market, and we are seeing new highs being made, 8299. So we are still in the market. Oh wow, so that's 830. Okay, so 830, that's our take profit. So automatically we have reached our take profit level, and as you can see, we traded from 820, and market is now at our take profit level at 830. So realistically, then we can say we traded successfully. We can say we traded successfully. So let's see. So we can say we traded successfully this current momentum, and as you can see, market got to 830, and we had our entry given at this was our entry given at so let's see what we traded here, and trading the right momentum. We can see that there is accuracy. So yeah, so our take profit is 830,456. So that was our take profit, and the market got to market got to market got to oh, TP hit. So you can see the report there, take profit hit. So that's it. That's it, our TP hits. So we take our next entry. Okay, so we take our next entry. So as you can see, we trade consistently, and right here you can see that our take profit hit. We did not exit the market in fear. We only adjusted our SL to accommodate this move. So right now we want to prepare for our next entry. So right now you can see we traded full profit. We traded full profits here. We traded full profits. So this happens with the momentum trading strategy, and here we're showing you live how we trade momentum trading strategy, so you can also trade with us. So you can also trade with us, our momentum trading strategy. So we look for our next entry. So next entry, loading. Right now you see we already traded this candle full time, and we are already very profitable on this. So whatever the market does now prepares us for our next entry. So our next entry is waiting confirmation when our entry will be given. So you can see market finally, after hitting our take profit, returns down to 827, and we are not yet in the market because we have to confirm our next entry. So only when we see our next entry with our average price, of course, before we can place our trade. So we wait for the confirmation for our next entry before we place our trade. So we booked a full profit with our trading strategy. This is FFTVC, channel V75, where we trade volatility 75 index as our specialty, and we trade 24/7. Okay, so time for us to find our next entry. So very good here one. We see average price again now at 827,561. So our next entry will be based on average pricing, and insofar as we are trading momentum, we have absolutely nothing to worry about. We can take whatever comes from the market. So next entry now. Okay. 827561. That's all right. For the next entry. So our next entry has been posted. So our new entry has been posted, and market is right back where we left it, and of course we are trading the bullish momentum, as you can see, and because we are trading the bullish momentum, we can only use our average price to protect our entry. So that's for the safety of our entry and the reliability of our entry. We have nothing to worry about if our entry is not taken in. We can always come in again to the market. So market is back to the take profit level from where we exited the market, and we have an opportunity to trade on. So if we miss one entry, we can always take another entry. So our next entry will be uh, Okay, our next entry will be 831 161. 831 161. That'll be our next entry. 831. Okay. Okay, so we have our next entry in the market posted, and we're back live in the market. Okay, so you can see that the bullish momentum is sustained, and right here, we have a right to continue to trade in the bullish impulse. So I visited at 830, and we had our entry at 831. The market has continued to make new highs. So market has continued to make new highs, and our entry is at 831.161. So so every entry given is always accurately anticipating what the market will do. So if you are afraid of trading momentum, then you have to learn from us how to trade momentum. We have 3 strategies for trading momentum, which we'll teach you in our training program. If you want to learn how to do it yourself, then you have to enroll for our training. So right here at FFTVC, channel V75, we keep on updating you about our live market entries and the outcome of our trading. Alright, so you can start trading with us. We continuously post our live updates here at FFTVC. channel V75 on specialty trading of volatility 75 index. So you can make consistently $3,000 monthly on average income from trading this specialty financial instrument with us, volatility 75 index, which is the most volatile instrument in the financial market right now. So if you are trading volatility 75 index and you want to make consistent profit of about $3,000 average monthly income, then you can make yourself comfortable with our channel here. Yes, our channel, trade with us on our channel. If you're not yet subscribed, you can click the subscription button and the notification bell so you get live real-time updates each time our entries are posted. And then if you want to trade with our trading community, apart from seeing our trades and taking trades secretly, you can of course subscribe to our public channel on Telegram, where we keep you updated on news and all that have to do with our trading progress. So that's at FTT, that's FFTVC Telegram. And further, if you want to support our community to keep us sustain our efforts in live streaming our trading, then you can of course be part of what we are doing, join our live trading community also by first of all signing up on our site to let us know you are trading with us, and we can also track your trades and also see you sign shared income contract with us where you share 50% of your profit when you are trading our strategy with us. And then you also support our growth by sharing your progress on Twitter, hashtagging at FFTVC on Twitter whenever you post any testimonial of your trading progress. And then also whenever you share 50% of your profit to us, we want you to post it also on Twitter so that we know that you are part of what we're doing and you are also one of those supporting our sustainability. So you can always watch us live on our channel on YouTube at FFTVC, channel V75 on YouTube, as we live stream our trading 24/7. So you can see the market is respecting our entry, and our entry bias have been accurately supported, trading average price. So if you want to learn how to trade average price with us using our momentum generated or created by average price, then you can enroll for our training where we teach you the three ways to trade momentum. We have mini momentum strategy, we have micro momentum strategy, and we have standard momentum strategy. So you get to know which strategy we apply at every given time, when to apply them. That will help you know which trade to take, when to take a trade, and how long to hold a trade, when to exit a trade, and what more. Yes, so make sure you are making profit with us consistently. So trade with us at FFTVC channel V75.